Benvenuti! Welcome to Italian for Beginners, Lesson 13, Course 1. I'm your Italian teacher Claudia, and I'm very happy to virtually see you here again for another class. So today's lesson is about reviewing Lesson 3. Okay? Perfect. If you remember, Lesson 3 was all about numbers. As usual, we're going to review the numbers and then we're going to add some new things, okay, to make things more dynamic. So, let's start with the numbers from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. Very good. And then we're going to do the numbers from 10 to 19. Do you remember that this is the hardest part? This is the hardest part until 20. Then it becomes pretty automatic. So let's start with 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and finally 19. 19. Okay? Very good. Then we have the number from 20, 20 to 29. And do you remember how it becomes automatic? So 20, 21, 22, literally 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Perfect. Then we have the numbers from 30 to 39. So 30, 31, 32, 33, and I'll leave you continuing it until 39. For example, 38, 38. Okay? 39, 39. It's really automatic as in English. Then we have the numbers from 40, 40, 40 with a Q, do you remember? To 49. Once again, automatic. 45, 45. 42, 42. 49, 49. Okay? If you want to review and repeat all the numbers, try to pause the video and to repeat them all. Okay? That's a good exercise. Then we have the numbers from 50, 50, 50 to 59, 59. Once again, for example, 52, 52, 55, 55, 57, 57. Easy, isn't it? Then the numbers from 60 to 69. 60 is 60. 60. 61, 61. 63, 63. 66, 66. 69, 69. Okay, is everything clear? I think it's pretty easy. Then we have the numbers from 70, 70 with 2T, 70 to 79, 79, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, and so on. Okay? 80 to 89. 80 is 80. 80. 89, 89. 84, 84. 87, 87. Okay? Perfect. And finally, we have the numbers from 90 to 100. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and finally 100. 100. Okay, very good. Did you remember all the numbers? Or did you need this review? So let's start with something new. And then, after 100, easy. 101. 101. 101. Is it clear? For example, 110, 110. So it really is automatic. Then we have 200s. 200s is 200. 200s. That literally means 200s. Okay? 300s, once again, automatic. 300. 300. Perfect. 400s. 400. Okay? The only difference is that hundreds, so 100, in this case, in Italian is uncountable. Okay? So you always keep 100. You don't change it. 500s, 500. 587, 587. Okay? It really is automatic. 600s, 600. 600. 600s. 700s, 700. 700. Okay. 722, 722. Okay? As a good exercise, try to pick random numbers and try to translate them into Italian. That's a very good exercise. 800s, 800. Okay? 800. Perfect. 900s, 900. 900. 999, 999. As an example. Okay? Perfect. Very good. And finally, we have 1000. We have already seen this number before. Do you remember how to say thank you very much? Yes, that is grazie mille. Because that literally means thank you 1,000 times. So, 1000 in Italian is mille. Mille. Perfect. Very good. Awesome. So, complimenti. Congratulations. You have just finished this new lesson. Now it's time to practice and have fun as well with some numbers. Okay? Try to do as I suggest. Pick random numbers in English and try to translate them into Italian. So, I'm looking forward to starting a new lesson with you and a presto. Grazie.